Here's what you need to do your new MANILAB nails. UV LED lamp, MANILAB nail strips, alcohol wipes, nail file and cuticle stick, and nail clippers. Use the alcohol wipe provided to clean your nail beds. This will remove any excess oils and help with adhesion. We then want to size up the nail strips. Any side is okay against your nail bed. Choose the best fit. Press them against your nail bed, about 1 millimeter either side. Remove this protective seal. Pick them up by the side you won't be sticking to your nail bed. Center it. When you're happy, push it down. Making sure you're pushing down, not sliding your finger across your nail. Use the cuticle stick to push the nail under any skin. This just makes sure it's going to adhere properly to your nail bed. And use the rounded edge to push it all around the perimeter, and this makes sure it adheres really well to your nail and prevents lifting and catching. Clip the excess about a couple of millimeters away from your natural nail. This step is important. Push down on the tip of your nail and wrap the excess around your natural nail, like so. This is going to make sure it adheres really well to that tip and prevents lifting and bubbling. Repeat these steps for each nail on one hand. Use the LED lamp to cure. It'll turn off by itself after 60 seconds, and that's all you need. File them to the shape that you desire. And there we go, they're done.